out some good points, that the statement made closer at the time of the incident said there were 2 shots, 2 bangs that he heard, versus now in court on direct, he said there were 3. Significant or not, in your opinion?
I don't know if it's all that significant. I mean, they're doing the best that they can with this witness. He sounds like he's an older gentleman. I'm basing that off of the sound of his voice and some of the things that he's described. And they're going to try to make as many points as they can of how people's memories fade over time, and maybe he wasn't paying all that close attention, and statements that he gave previously have now changed. But I think the point really for the prosecution was the timing of things, and that's what came out in court. And he was fairly specific about that because he had this routine of, he would wake up, but on Wednesdays he woke up earlier because he would go to this Bible study. So he was able to place the time of things pretty specifically for the prosecution. Whether or not he described it as being 2 shots and later on as 3 shots, I don't think is going to be that big of a deal.
How important is that time frame, briefly, before we do need to take a break?
I think it could be important, especially if they tie it then to when she made that 911 call. And that might be really the point that they're trying to make here is, was she awake? Were there sounds that loud enough to wake the neighbors taking place in close proximity to that phone call?
Yeah, excellent point, Josh.